The TrueLux light system simulates natural sunlight to show more color variation, more detail, with more accuracy. It's at the heart of every Simplehuman sensor mirror. Sunlight contains the full color spectrum, while most artificial lighting doesn't come close. With TrueLux, you can see yourself with perfect clarity. Now, the wide view sensor mirror can connect to your phone. Use our app to capture light settings from the world around you and recreate them in the mirror, so you can check your makeup in your favorite restaurant, in your office, or in bright, natural sunlight. The wide view sensor mirror from Simplehuman. See yourself in the best light.
Vacations. The perfect excuse for doing the things we miss out on in daily life. Going to the same beach every year, cooking steaks on the grill, taking up trekking without having a clue of what that is, binge watching that series you read the spoilers for months ago, or simply sitting around and playing with your balls. Doesn't matter whether you have them or not. There are moments when we all, men and women alike, just need to play with our balls. Bummer. Returning to work means we just haven't got the time for it. Too bad. People should always find a moment to touch their balls. At Imaginarte, we decided to create a universal solution to a problem shared by millions. We accomplished this task by collaborating with one of the special effects engineers for the movie Gravity, Raul Rodriguez Romeo. The result is niceBalls, a dangling prosthetic accessory that sticks easily, discreetly, and efficiently to your desk for both home and office applications. Its suspension rate creates a Euclidean curve that encourages relaxation and provides the few moments of escapism that we all need once in a while. So after playing with your balls, you can change your mode back to bust your balls. niceBalls is available in a nearly impossible to access limited collector's edition and is proudly produced in Spain. niceBalls. Now you can be productive while playing with your balls.
What if you could infuse your home with a fragrance that isn't just limited to here or there, but that's perfectly even throughout a whole space? A livable, breathable atmosphere that's so light in the air, it's like it's everywhere and nowhere all at once. An experience that doesn't change or fade from day 1 to day 60. And what if you could truly control the intensity of the fragrance, whether you want the slightest hint or a transportive experience? And what if all of this was controllable right from the palm of your hand, so you could see your whole home through a new lens? The perfect atmosphere for every space and every occasion. Turn one room on and another up, and even set a schedule, so it's always there at just the right time. Introducing AERA, home scenting reinvented.